Hello, today I'll show you how to transfer all emails and contacts from one Gmail account to another. Step 1, open import settings and start transfer. Log into your Gmail account. Click the gear icon in the top right corner. Select See All Settings. Go to the Accounts and Import tab. Under Import Mail and Contacts, click Import from Yahoo, Hotmail, AOL, or other webmail or POP3. A pop-up window will appear. Enter the email address of the Gmail account you want to transfer from. Click Continue and then sign in to the old Gmail account. If a pop-up is blocked, click the notification like in the image. Choose Always Allow Pop-ups and Redirects from mail.google.com. Click Done. Step 2. Sign in to old account and complete import. A new window will appear. Enter the email address of the Gmail account you want to import from. Click Continue. Sign in to your old Gmail account. Allow access. Choose what you want to import. Click Start Import. Emails and contacts will be imported in the background. It may take several hours. This method is very useful when switching to a new Gmail account without losing old data. Thanks for watching. We hope this tutorial was helpful. See you in the next guide.